هنا صوت القدس.
This is Jerusalem calling.
The relationship between us and our land. That's a work of thousands of years.
شو في بالقدس بتضلك رايح جاي؟
بدي شغل يا زلمة. كل يوم قاعدين نخسر في أرض، في فلاحين طروهم من أراضيهم.
Thomas Hopkins. I'm here as a representative of His Majesty's government in Palestine.
يوسف بيساوي.
Is it the right of the English to distribute the land as they like?
Land registration will protect you.
بيجهزوا الأرض لقبانية جديدة جنب الأراضي بالضبط.
I ask you all to have faith. We can create a united and peaceful Holy Land.
يا اخوان البلاد عمالها بتضيع من بين ايديكم، ما هو يا بنوقف وقفة رجال يا بنوقف نتفرج.
يا خبيز يا رصاص.
عاشت الثورة!
We are looking for armed bandits.
We've been disturbing the settlement.
This is my little brother. He hasn't done anything.
I advise that the best solution to terrorism is to build a wall.